Yantras. Definition of yantras is स्वेदादि कर्म निर्मान्तु वर्ति केन्द्रे प्रयत्नतः यन्त्रते पारदौ यस्मात् तस्मात् यन्त्रमिति स्मृतम्. And the second definition of yantra is रसो नियंत्रयते येन यंत्रम तदिति उच्यते. In purification of parada, minerals and metals by the method of shodhana and marana, the instruments are used for it. It is known as yantra. Yantra are of so many types. Now we are going to see the classification of yantra. First is dola yantra. Dola yantra is an earthen vessel, mud pot, and two holes are made on both sides of neck of vessel in which a rod is put. The vessel is filled with the required given liquid. The substance is kept in cloth pouch, is bound with strings to the rod so that the pouch may stay swinging in the liquid, and potali should be tied 2 inches above from the bottom. Then the vessel is heating slowly till the end of the procedure. The liquid should be replaced oftenly. This is called as dola yantra. Svedana procedures for dola yantra is used for svedana of parada and also used for svedana of dhattura, jayapala, vatsanabha and hartala shodhana. This is the diagram of dola yantra. You can draw. Next yantra is valuka yantra. In the preparation of valuka yantra, kanchakupi glass bottle is needed, to which cloth smeared with mud and the thickness of 1 angula is wrapped and dried well. The drug is filled up to 2/3 portion of this kanchakupi, up to 2/3 portion on earthen pot having a depth of 1 vitasti is taken so that kupi could be placed into it and sand can be filled in the space left. This is the picture. In Valuka Yantra, the amount of sand should be filled in such a manner so that the neck portion is opened. 2/3 portion of kupi is occupied by the sand. Then heat is applied in Mrudu, Madhyama and Tivra Agni throughout the procedure. It takes around 12 to 16 hours and sometimes 24 hours. This instrument is helpful in preparing kupi pakva rasayana. Example is Giri Sundura, Rasayana Makaradhwaja and Malli Sindura. These drugs are prepared using Valuka Yantra. Next is Puta Yantra. When Parada etc. is mixed with another drug or herb and then it is kept in Sharava Samputa, then it is closed by another Sharava which has equal measurement, then joined sealed with mud, smeared cloth and it is dried. Then Sharava Samputa is subjected to proper heat. This is known as Puta Yantra. Uses of Puta Yantra are Marana of all the drugs or Dravya. Example, Marana of Rajata. This is the diagram of Puta Yantra. The next yantra is Khalva Yantra. Khalva Yantra is used for Bhavana or Mardana. It is of 3 types: Ardha Chandrakar, Vartula and Tapta Khalva. First is Ardha Chandrakar Khalva. This type of Khalva is made into Ardha Chandrakar in shape. This is made up of stone of iron and uses are used for Mardana or Bhavana of Rasadravyas. Next is Vartula Khalva Yantra. This is Ardha Chandra Khalva. Next is Vartula Khalva. This Khalva is having circumference of 12 angula and depth of 4 angula. It should be very smooth in center. Its pestle should be flattened on the edges. Its upper portion should be designed very well so that it is gripped well. This Vartula Khalva is made for Mardana. This is Vartula Khalva. Third one is Tapta Khalva Yantra. In this, It has circumference of 9 angula and depth of 4 angula. And its basal is 8 angula in length, and it is made up of iron. Uses are paradashta sanskara. This is the Taptak Halva yantra. Next is Patana yantra. Patana yantra are of three types: Urdhva Patana, Adho Patana, and Tiryak Patana. First is Urdhva Patana yantra. The two mud pots are taken. Their mouth should be have different sizes which are joined together and sealed with cloth and mud. The upper vessel should be having a bottom area of 12 inches. As on inside of it, the sublimated drug materials vapor is going on and solidified and stick into the bottom of upper vessel. On the outer surface of bottom of upper vessel, on slot is designed which measures 6 inches in breadth, 7.5 inches in length and 3 inches in thickness. It is known as Toyadhara, wet cloth. The purpose of Toyadhara is condensation on which wet cloth is kept during the procedure. Before sealing the vessel, the drug material is filled in the lower vessel. After proper sealing of vessel is subjected to slow heating. The fire flames should not reach up to the upper vessel. After some time, the drug is condensed and starts sticking over the bottom surface of upper vessel. This is known as Urdhva Patana yantra. Next is Adho Patana yantra. In Adho Patana yantra, apparatus, the drug substance which is to be distilled is coated on the inner surface of the bottom of upper vessel. After heating, the vapors of the drug substances get into the water at the bottom of lower vessels. This is called as Adhopatana yantra, and this apparatus used for distillation of mercury. Next is Tiryak Patana yantra. On big sized pot is connected with a tube fitted at its neck with another small pot just above its bottom. The big sized pot contains mercury at the bottom and small pot contains water at the bottom. The mouth of both pots are sealed. The bigger pot containing mercury is subjected to beating. The mercury becomes vaporized and oozes into smaller pot. The smaller pot containing water, mercury, has to be condensed in it. This is Tiryak Patana yantra. Next is Darvika yantra. When a bowl is joined to a rod having its length of 1 hasta, this is known as Darvika yantra. Next is Svedana yantra. Liquid is filled into a big mud pot. Then its mouth is covered with cloth. Svedana dravyas is kept on this cloth and it is covered with charava and heat is given. Next is Tali yantra. Tamra etc. are kept with required drug into a mud pot and mouth is sealed with charava and heat is given, is known as Tali yantra, and it is used for Kwatha of Tamra. Next is Pithara yantra. This is Tali yantra. Next is Pithara yantra in a small cylindrical shaped vessel which is closed at one end and open at another end. The open end is fixed with suitable plate or sharava which is having